Huh. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I am tired. So, today, let's just get on with it. Today I've got something that came out of a ramen trunk. Go to www.ramentrunk.com. Use the coupon code RamenRaider20 off for a discount. If you had a problem with that code before, it should be working now. That's what they told me. So thanks, people over at Ramen Trunk. And we have for you today, this brand is, I'm going to say it's Tabete Yuzu Dashi Shio Ramen. So Yuzu is it's that. It's like a lemon lime. It's kind of like a, what do they call it? Limon. That was in Sprite, but it's not like Sprite ramen. Trust me. So. Anyways, you cook the noodles 4.5, drop in the seasoning sachet, which is a liquid one, as you can see here. And yeah, there you have it. I've got a couple add-ons. But yeah, in the pack is a sealed pack. And smell interesting. Alright, get in that water. And 4.5 minutes. And a fork. And you're not allowed to boil over. I just can't handle boiling over right now. So yeah, I've been up since like 1:30 this morning, because of my cursed dream that my alarm goes off. And it goes from having that dream to being reality. And going, oh wait, my alarm didn't go off, did it? Dang. But here I am, 10 miles of hoofing it later. So what's going on? Tomorrow, in my time era, is the 4th of July. I think for you it's August. Yeah. That's how far far ahead I am on these videos, which is pretty crazy. And yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll do something. I'm hoping tonight, I don't know, I feel like crap. But maybe tonight, maybe if she's into it, we'll do the anniversary episode of the chocolate break. Yeah, we went up to Canada and we went to Beta 5 Chocolate, which is on Industrial Avenue in Vancouver. And if you're up there, go there. It's spendy, but it's worth it. Get the trademark sampler. We got 2 other samplers too. It's not cheap, but it's worth it. You get these little, like, half circle, they're like little things. Anyways, it looks like they've been hand painted. I'm not sure if they are or not, but, and there's all sorts of flavors. There's like green curry mango, I think was one of them, but they're just the most delicate, most flavorful. This is like high-end chocolate. They're like the second ranked chocolatier in all of Canada, I believe. Some kind of cred they got along those lines, which is awesome and well deserved. I mean, it's good stuff. But that is the place we went. They also had a ramen noodle bar, which was quite good. And that was what kicked off the idea to do the chocolate break show. That was a year ago. And by the time the anniversary video comes out, I think we'll have had like 54, 55 episodes. So that will be year 2. I'm trying to think of maybe some kind of little changes to do. Because up to this point, there have been a lot of changes. But now it's like the formula is all there. It's just kind of like even keel, running. Always have like this romantic piano music playing in the background on the chocolate break. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to www.thechocolatebreak.com. You can see me and my wife do all these videos trying chocolate. And I was thinking of changing the music format, maybe to some like smooth jazz, something equally cheesy. Maybe some acoustic guitar, like really peaceful, really like disturbingly peaceful. Had to check to make sure I turned the timer on. I do not trust my brain right now. Almost 3 hours worth of sleep. And I think the rest of the week I got 4.5 to 5.5 hours. No, I didn't get 5. 4.5 to 5 hours of sleep every other day this week so far. But I like to get up really early, and by doing that I can get a lot more done. So, Yuzu Dashi Shio. Nice looking noodle. Need the sachet. Yeah, honestly, I can't believe I'm actually getting through. This is the second one I've done today. I don't know if that's the correct order they'll be in, but yeah. Yeah, I'm actually getting through doing my reviews today. Which is cool, because this is what, Wednesday, isn't it? Yeah. So all last week and all up today, I've been able to crank out 2 reviews a day. So that's 8 days. So that's 16 reviews since not this, but last Monday. It's not too bad. Very good for how it's gone recently. Alright, let's taste this broth. Now, yuzu is like a citrus kind of hit, so we'll see. Very light color. Looks like a thinner broth. Wow. That's quite good. It's definitely Shio, but the Dashi and Yuzu are kind of interchangeable. They kind of, one isn't more overwhelming than the other. They kind of play back and forth. I like it. Yeah. I like that. Which makes it the first one, the first Yuzu ramen that I've actually really liked. I want to eat that whole bowl. I'm not gonna, you know, but I wanna. If you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, I have been on a diet since October of October 18th, 2018. Last time I weighed in was June 24th of 2019. I had lost 94 pounds. And in the 60 days before that, I lost 30 pounds. So I'm basically averaging a half a pound a day. So that's why the ramen goes down the drain. And I know that drives a lot of you crazy, but you know, if you were here, I'd say, eat up, enjoy. I hope you like it. But you're not, so that's kind of where we are with that. That's the one thing. People just like lose their mind about wasted food. And it's like, I understand. You don't want to waste food. There are hungry people in the world. But it's like there's nothing I can do for them with what with this. This don't go in the mail. If somebody was here and was like, if somebody knocked on my door right now and said, I smell ramen, can I come in? Can I eat your ramen? I'd be like, please, wow. This doesn't happen to me often or ever. Some mung. I actually baked some nice chicken this morning. Like early this morning. You know, I want to put this on here first. I think once I do that, I can have an idea where to place the chicken. Yummy. Some seeds. And we're looking about good, I think. So let's get Rotato going. I actually got Rotato out for this one. Yeah, I'm happy with that. All right. Let's do this. Alright, well, there we are. That's what I got for you today. I hope you had a nice 4th of July, because that's tomorrow for me. So, yeah. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment, eat your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.